Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about the importance of books in learning. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of books in learning. Books plays a crucial role in learning and education. They have been a fundamental source of knowledge and information for centuries, and their importance remains undiminished even in the digital age. Here are some key reasons why books are vital in the process of learning. Number one, access to knowledge. Books serves as repositories of knowledge. They contain information on a wide range of subjects, allowing readers to explore various topics in depth, whether it is history, science, literature, philosophy, or any other field. Books provide comprehensive and structured knowledge that can be accessed at any time. Number two, depth and detail. Books often provide a level of depth and detail that other mediums may not offer. They allow authors to delve into complex ideas, theories, and concepts, presenting them in a coherent and logical manner. This depth of understanding helps readers develop a more thorough grasp of the subject matter. Number three, critical thinking and analysis. Books encourage critical thinking and analytical skills. When reading a book, readers are exposed to different perspectives, arguments, and evidence. They are prompted to evaluate and analyze the information presented, formulating their own opinions and viewpoints. This process enhances cognitive abilities and nurtures independent thinking. Number four, language and vocabulary development. Reading books contributes to language development and vocabulary expansion. Books expose readers to a variety of writing styles, sentence structures, and new words. Regular reading improves reading comprehension, writing skills, and communication abilities. It also enhances grammar and syntax proficiency. Number five, imagination and creativity. Books have the power to ignite the imagination and foster creativity. They transport readers to different worlds, introduce them to diverse characters, and present unique scenarios. This imaginative emission stimulates creativity, encourages readers to think beyond the boundaries of their own experience. Number six, historical perspective. Books provide a window into the past, offering historical context and perspectives. They preserve the knowledge and experience of previous generations, allowing readers to learn from the wisdom and mistakes of those who came before. Understanding history is crucial for a well-rounded education and helps individuals make informed decisions in the present. Number seven, personal growth and empathy. Reading books can be a transformative experience through stories and narratives. Books enable readers to step into the shoes of different characters, experience their triumphs and struggles, and develop empathy. This emotional connection and understanding of diverse perspectives foster personal growth and compassion. Number eight, continuous learning. Books facilitate lifelong learning. They enable individuals to continue expanding their knowledge, exploring new subjects, and pursuing personal interests. Whether through self-help books, academic context, biographies, or fiction books, offer a wealth of information that supports ongoing personal and intellectual development. While digital resources and technology have expanded access to information, books remain essential in providing a comprehensive, in-depth, and tangible learning experience. They have a unique ability to engage readers, stimulate their minds, and facilitate the acquisition of knowledge and skills that endure over time. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about the importance of books in learning. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.